a quarter yard of ribbon. She cuts it into 5 equal pieces. What fraction of a yard is each piece of ribbon? What are we dividing? Are we dividing a quarter yard of ribbon, or are we dividing 5 equal pieces? We are dividing 1/4 of a yard of ribbon, and we are dividing that 1/4 yard of a ribbon into how many pieces? Yes.
5.
5, and we know it's division because we're dividing it into 5 equal pieces. So we're going to start with the first number and represent that with a model. 1/4. And I'm going to shade 1/4. All right? I'm going to take that 1/4 of a yard of ribbon. I'm going to divide it into how many pieces? 5 pieces. Now, each piece is going to be what fraction of the whole? I'm going to focus on one of those 5 pieces. What fraction is it?
1/20.
1 out of 20 total pieces. Yes.
Kindergarten all late to after school.
Now, if we were trying to check this over with an algorithm, we need to keep and then flip, then multiply. So we're keeping 1/4. What are we turning 5 into? 5 needs to be turned into a fraction first. What is 5 as a fraction?
1/5.
5 as a fraction is 5 over 1, but its inverse or its flip is
1/5.
1/5. And then we multiply across, and we are left with 1 times 1, which is
1.
and 4 times 5, which is
20.
Our algorithm or equation matches our model, so we know that our answer is correct.